Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to silence unknown callers on WhatsApp. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. The first thing you should do is to go to your Google Play Store, or if you're using your iPhone, then App Store, and then go to the search bar and then type WhatsApp. Now you have to make sure that your application is up to date. So click Update, wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. So once you have updated your WhatsApp, then you can open or launch the WhatsApp application. And then this time, what you're going to do is to tap this three dots at the top right corner and then click settings. Now scroll down till you see this privacy right here. Okay. Tap this privacy and then after that, it will take you directly to another features and options. So what you're going to do once you are on privacy section is scroll down and you have to look for calls. So as you can see, there is this silence unknown caller. So all you have to do is to toggle this one on. And if you read this part right here, calls from unknown numbers will be silenced. They will still be shown in the calls tab in your notification, but you won't be bothered by that. Okay, so that means that you won't get notified. You will just know that once you go to your calls tab section. So toggle this one on, and then you can go back to your WhatsApp application. And that's how easy it is to silence unknown callers on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.